Yo, gamers! Are you ready to crank up the settings, smash frame rates, and experience gaming like never before? Then gear up, because we're diving into the top 5 best gaming PCs of 2024. This year, the competition is fierce, with cutting-edge processors, monstrous graphics cards, and stunning aesthetics. But fear not, we filtered through the noise to bring you the ultimate contenders, catering to different budgets, needs, and gaming styles. Prices and links will be included in the video description. So grab your snacks, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. 5. HP Victus 15 Lighters. The HP Victus 15 Lighters squeezes surprising gaming power into a compact, affordable package. It's not the flashiest rig, but for casual gamers or those on a budget, it packs a punch. Think 1080p gaming at smooth frame rates, with sports titles hitting refreshingly high numbers. The AMD Ryzen 5 and NVIDIA RTX 3060 combo handle most modern games well, though demanding AAA titles might require tweaking settings. The small size is both a blessing and a curse. It fits snugly on any desk, but the limited airflow can lead to thermal throttling under heavy load. Keep an eye on temps, especially during extended gaming sessions. The included keyboard and mouse are basic but functional, but you might want to upgrade for a more comfortable experience. The Victus 15 Lighters shines in its practicality. Plenty of ports, including easily accessible ones on the front, make connecting peripherals a breeze. Upgradability is decent, with space for additional RAM storage. While not a future-proof powerhouse, it offers enough headroom for casual gamers looking to stay relevant for a few years. Overall, the HP Victus 15 Lighters is a solid choice for budget-conscious gamers. It punches above its weight in performance, offers a compact design, and throws in decent upgradability. Just be mindful of the thermal limitations and consider investing in better peripherals for long-term comfort. If you prioritize affordability and 1080p gaming, the Victus 15 Lighters is definitely worth considering. 4. Corsair Vengeance i7400. A powerhouse of a PC, the Corsair Vengeance i7400 offers overclockable processors, a top-of-the-line RTX 4090 graphics card, and high-speed RAM to deliver the absolute best performance money can buy. The Corsair Vengeance i7400 offers all of the latest and most powerful components for the best possible PC gaming performance, including unlocked Intel processors that are fully ready for overclocking. Our recommended build with an Intel i9 and NVIDIA RTX 4090 can play newly released games with the most demanding graphics, like Cyberpunk 2077 and Forza Motorsport in 4K at high refresh rates. Those 64GB of RAM is probably only necessary for professional content creators. The i7400 2TB SSD will give you ample space and speed to store and play games. The PC has a sturdy and impressive build with the glass side panel and plenty of RGB lighting built into the relatively standard rectangular case. The case opts for upward-facing USB-A and USB-C ports rather than front-facing ports. With a price tag that's well beyond our other picks, this build of the Corsair Vengeance is strictly for hardcore PC gaming enthusiasts who want the absolute best hardware. But if you can afford it, you won't be disappointed. 3. Dell Alienware Aurora R16. The Aurora R16 is a sleek, compact PC with expertly designed cooling, powerful components, and Alienware's signature design flair. The latest version of Alienware's flagship Aurora R16 desktop PC is 40% smaller than its predecessor, with a sleeker frame and a more common rectangular shape. The reduced form factor makes it a great choice for dorm rooms or other home setups where space is limited. Alienware is typically known for flashy designs, but the Aurora R16 is surprisingly plain with its black matte case. The case does have customizable lights on the rear fan and a ring along the left side. Lighting is managed in the pre-installed Alienware Command Center app. The RTX 4070 and 14th generation Intel i7 processor that come in our recommended R16 build are great for gaming at 1440p. At $2,100, it will exceed the demands of most buyers. Cheaper options are also available with an RTX 4060, and if you have the funds, you can order builds with a more powerful RTX 4080, RTX 4090, or AMD RX 7900 XTX from Dell. The Aurora R16 case includes liquid cooling for the processor and a freshly engineered fan system that provides better overall cooling than the R15. However, the case's small size might make upgrading your graphics card tricky down the line, since it may be too compact to fit larger models. 2. NZXT Player 1. The NZXT Player 1 is a great nondescript starter PC that performs well at 1080p with a basic RTX 30 series build and simple RGB lighting. NZXT's Player One is the best gaming PC you can get on a budget. It's an entry-level computer with everything you need to play games comfortably at 1080p resolution. Available in black or white, the Player One has a large plain case that gives it the feel of a custom-built PC, with plenty of space inside for upgrades and other tinkering. Though not the most stylish design we've seen, the straightforward build is refreshing and free from the extraneous flash that some gaming PCs tack on. While it's not the absolute cheapest gaming PC you can find, the Player One offers a great starting configuration with an Intel i5 processor, RTX 3050 graphics card, and Memphis solid-state drive for just $749. According to NZXT's website, this build should be enough to run Call of Duty Modern Warfare with ultra-high settings in 1080p at 75 frames per second FPS. However, brand new games with more demanding graphics, like Starfield, will only yield about 30 FPS at ultra-high in 1080p. If you don't mind stretching your budget to $1,000, we recommend upgrading the storage space to 1 TB and replacing the RTX 3050 with the more powerful RTX 4060. 1. Lenovo Legion Tower 7i. This capable Lenovo PC configuration will meet the needs of any gamer thanks to its Intel i9 chip, RTX 4080 graphics card, plenty of space for upgrades, and customizable lighting. Lenovo's Legion line of gaming desktops are popular for good reason. They offer great performance in a relatively no-frills package. Our recommended build comes with a 13th Gen Intel i9 CPU, an RTX 4080 graphics card that's fully capable of gaming at 4K resolution, and an impressive 32 GB of RAM. The 1 TB of M2 storage is also a good starting point for most gaming PCs, with new games utilizing anywhere from 50 to 150 GB of space. Configurations are also available with i7 CPUs and an RTX 4070 graphics card if you want to cut the cost. And if you want even beefier performance, you can get this model with an RTX 4090 graphics card. But we think our recommended build offers most gamers the best balance between price and performance. The large Legion logo on the front of the otherwise plain case isn't exactly aesthetically pleasing, but the letters have RGB lights that are fully customizable along with the interior fans and heatsink. The tower has no front-facing ports, opting instead for 2 standard USB ports and 2 audio ports on top. It should be noted that there's no USB-C port on the front or top of the case either. While the PC this powerful would usually break most budgets, Lenovo's towers are generally affordable and often go on sale for as much as 25% off. There you have it, folks. The top 5 best gaming PCs of 2024. Remember, the best depends on your individual needs and budget. Consider your preferred resolution, games, future-proofing desires, and die skills before making your choice. Leave a comment below with your dream gaming PC setup. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe for more awesome tech content. Until next time, game on!